Hi, my name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis and also upload important market related news. And please do not mind because I do not have any professional fancy setup. I am doing this from the comfort of my couch. So without any delay, let's get started. So right now we have the chart of Australian dollar and Canadian dollar in front of us, and you can see on the screen that I'm in a 1 hour time frame. So if you want to trade for this day on this day or 9th Feb, so we need a smaller time frame instead of a weekly time frame or daily time frame. So we are using a 1 hour time frame. So in the 1 hour time frame, what we can see is that there is a resistance here. There's a good amount of resistance here. Okay. If you are already in a trade or if you're planning to execute a trade, then you should be careful because see, there is not much upside here. If it starts going from up here, then there will be a resistance here. And as you can already see that price has already mm, come down from this particular price zone. Okay, 0.98311. After that, it came down and it's going up again. It's looking like a pullback, but we can see that it has failed to break this price zone 9832. So, and you can also see that stochastic RSI is also giving us a signal that yes, it is not in a good position. And there is a divergence also here. Anyways, if we just look at a naked chart, it is very clear to us that there is a resistance at this particular price zone, 9845, 0.9845 level. So what will be the best shot here? The best shot will be here goes up if it goes up and reaches this particular price zone like 9845 price zone, and if it shows some reversal or price rejection from above, then you can short the market. And what will be the best position to buy? The best position to buy will be this particular level. Let me show you. See, this will be a very good position to buy. See, it has this price level, this 0.97785 has already acted as a support here and here also. So this will be a point to look out for. Okay, if market comes down from this particular price level and reaches this point, and if it takes support and shows some reversal sign, and if stochastic RSI also give us a good signal that yes, you can go ahead, and then you can easily go ahead and buy at this particular zone. Otherwise, if it goes to this particular zone and if it doesn't show any good reversal sign, then just be patient. Okay, and if it goes to this level and shows some reversal sign, and stochastic RSI also give us an indication by staying on the overbought level, I mean above this line, then you can short the market. Now let's look at 1 day time frame for those players who are mm, planning to go long for a couple of days. See, again, same chapter here also. This will be support, and this will be a support, and this particular price zone 984 0.9843 or this particular price zone has already been a good amount of resistance. So you need to be careful. Okay, if it reach, you can go ahead and go for long if it crosses this particular point. Okay, if it breaches this particular price zone, then your next target will be this. So If it crosses this particular level, you can easily initiate a trade somewhere around 0.9860, and your target will be 0.987. That's it. And stochastic RSI is also already is giving us a buy signal here. Anyways, we do not rely on indicators. We are mainly into price action, and we need to analyze the market with the help of chart. Okay, so this is it. And if you are just planning to trade for this particular day, then just be cautious of this level. Okay, this level. And right now this particular price zone is also acting as a good amount of resistance. Okay, let's see how it rolls up. Just remember, you can only buy at this particular point if it gives us a signal confirmation, and you can only short this market after getting the confirmation, and you can go long after this price level is broken with good amount of volume. Okay, that's it. With the help, that's it all about the Australian dollar and Canadian dollar for this day. Okay, so if you've liked this video and found it informative, then please hit the like button and share your views on the comment section, and please subscribe to the channel. And if you want to learn about trading and how does the chart work, we conduct 5 days monthly workshop where we teach in detail how to read charts, chart patterns, market psychology, etc. We also provide daily Forex buy and sell signals with more than 80% accuracy for free of course if you open an account with us. And for more information, please visit the website mentioned in the description below. Thank you so much.